Hey DIY friends! Today, I'm showing you how to replace a worn-out faucet with a brand new Kohler faucet. I tried to save a little money with an off-brand before, and, well, it didn't last a year. You really get what you pay for. I'll walk you through the full installation and highlight all the awesome features of this faucet, so you know why we chose it. Step 1. Turn off water and remove old faucet. First things first, head under your sink and shut off the hot and cold water supply. Then, remove the hoses from your old faucet. Each faucet is a little different, but this one has a small nut under a flange that needs to be unscrewed. Carefully remove the hoses and that little nut. It may take a bit of wiggling, especially with brass fittings. And yes, you'll be working in that classic, awkward under-sink position. Once the old faucet is out, clean the area so your new faucet sits flush and looks nice. Step 2. Prep the new faucet. Unbox your new Kohler faucet. Inside you'll find gaskets, a mounting plate to cover extra holes, a soap dispenser, and a small bag with a rubber gasket, metal gasket, and mounting nut. Start by placing the plastic/rubber gasket with the lip facing up under the faucet base. This ensures a snug fit. Step 3. Install the faucet. Fish the hoses through the sink hole and balance the faucet on top. Underneath, layer the rubber gasket, metal gasket, and screw on the mounting nut. Straighten the faucet so it's level before tightening. Once aligned, go underneath with a screwdriver to secure the nut. This design is super user-friendly compared to our old faucet. Installation is a breeze. Step 4. Connect water lines. The new faucet comes with long hoses, which makes connecting easy. Remove the old hoses and clean off any leftover Teflon tape. Wrap fresh Teflon tape around the spigots to prevent leaks. Connect the hot and cold water lines to their correct positions. Step 5. Test for leaks. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. No leaks. Perfect. Step 6. Enjoy your new faucet. This faucet not only looks great, it functions beautifully. The pull-down sprayer has a fan-type spray that makes rinsing dishes and cleaning easy. The magnet on the end keeps the sprayer neatly in place. Simple, clean, and elegant. You really do get what you pay for. This faucet is a solid investment, and we absolutely love it. Thanks for watching Weekend Honeydew List. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects, and leave any questions or comments below. I'll get back to you. See you next time.